Hey, what's happening YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to talk about something funny. I'm talking about how to annoy people using your GoPro. Now these are all just for fun. Don't take it too seriously. Don't go overboard. Just keep it fun. Okay? You ready? Let's jump right in. Alright, step 1 is fairly easy. You want to treat everyone around you like they're on a reality TV show and point the camera at their faces all day long and yell something like, "Cut! Action!" or "Act natural!" Something like that. Normally this doesn't work, but you get the gist.
Mamaya may kamay na pala. Hindi, wala ka pa dito. Normal naman pag may pawis. Iba na yung magdang sa pawis.
Alright, step 2. You just have to film every boring moment and make it sound like it's a documentary from David Attenborough.
And here we have the majestic human consuming their lunch in the wild. Note the grace, the unwavering focus, a truly remarkable sight. Truly, the act of dishwashing is a humble yet noble endeavor, a reminder of humanity's endless struggle to bring order to a world of disorder.
Capture! So start recording.
GoPro, stop capture.
Oh, wall climbing. Wall climbing. Okay, wall climbing, ano? GoPro, start capture.
Yan, go. Tutok mo sa'yo, dapat nga yung mga naiinis dyan ng i-vlog ko eh. How to annoy people using GoPro ang susunod ang vlog eh.
Baby,
Paano yun? Di ba ganyan?
yan.
Landscape, baby.
Landscape pala.
Suot mo na naman yung GoPro mo. Suot na naman niya yung GoPro niya.
Monta nga.
Hindi, baby. Unti lang.